Hello everyone, welcome to another video by me, Mr. Kyrie. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a fill in the blanks worksheet or fill in the gap worksheet or mind the gap worksheet, or also known as a cloze exercise. This will be we will be using a Google Docs add-on created by me. It's an easy install and I'm going to show it to you right now. So I'm going to leave this link in the description below. This is the website of the add-on, clozeit.sitekyrie.com. And there's more information as you can see here. You can find it about it yourself. Now, if you can see here, there's a button. It says Docs add-on. Click on it. It will bring you to the G Suite Marketplace. So then you need to install it. Depending on what account you're using, if you're using on a personal account, you can just install it straight away. For example, right now I'm on my EDU account. Then I need to have my admin to install it for me. Okay, it shouldn't be a problem even on the website. If I go back and if you scroll down, there is a instruction to help you out to send to admin the information that they might need to make it easier for them and also for you as well. Now, I already have it installed here. This is my document, my blank document that I created. Now, once installed, go to add-ons, close it, click start. Okay. Now it will open a sidebar on the right here. Now I need some text in the first place, some information that I want to create as a worksheet. So now I'm on BBC Bite Size. There's a lot of useful links and information here. So let's see if I copy this text, copy, go back here, and then I paste without formatting, for example. Now, there we go. Now, let's say I want to blank out some of the words because I want to create that kind of worksheets. So there are two options. If you see here on the right, you can either highlight those texts or underline those texts. Okay. Highlight, it applies for any color, doesn't really matter what color, it will detect it anyway. Underline, it will be useful because you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control U or Command U if you're on a Mac. Okay, so let's say if I wanna, let's try highlighting first. I want to highlight this word, so this is the highlight. Let's say yellow, highlight this one as well. Well, this time I want to go this color. And then this one, green, and this one I want to say purple, for example. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those three words, four words, I would like them to be blanked. Okay, so there are two options. Option one is a simple one, whereby you automatically leave a blank, replacing those words, and at the end of the document there will be a word bank. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's try this first one. Click. There we go. Now the words have been replaced by a blank with an underlined blank here, and at the end of the document, see here, there's a word bank. This word bank are shuffled, so it's not in the same order of, or they can't guess. For example, the first one could be the first blank. No, it's not, because it's been shuffled. The order has been shuffled. Okay. Now that is the first option, simple. Now the second option, if I undo this, go back to here. The second option is with hints. So what does this mean? This means that they will replace the highlighted words with the blank. However, all right, they will leave only the first letter of that word. Okay, now let me try this one. I select highlighted and then select option 2, create worksheet with hints and word bank. Click on it, and there we go. Now if you can see here, it's no longer highlighted, and then it blanked out the words. However, the first letter remains. The first letter of that word remains, and at the end there's a word bank here, also shuffle. Okay, I can remove it or edit or whatever I want with it. It's editable. It's your document. You can do whatever you want with it. Now, What about underlining? So let's go back. Now here's the highlighted words again. Now if I want to underline, let's say I want to select this word, select that word, I can underline, and that word I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut this time, Command U or Control U, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, let's say. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 words I want to be blanked. Now option 1, let me demo to you again, click. I made a mistake. Okay, select highlighted. Okay, now let me undo this. We should have select underlined. This is what I'm about to show you. Underlined. Now option 1, click. There we go. All those underlined words are now replaced with a blank, and then at the end is a word bank which are shuffled in order. Okay, now if I undo this, okay, let me check again. Selected text are underlined, and then create worksheet with hints and word bank. I'm going to try option 2 this time. Click. There we go. The first letter of that word remains, the rest are blanked, and there will be a word bank at the end. Okay, and that's it. That is a very simple add-on. And then once you've created those worksheets, you can share it on Google Classroom as an assignment, or you can print it out however you wish. Okay, now there's also a handy button here where you can unhighlight all text. Let's say you made an error or you made a mistake or something, you want to make sure in that document there's no highlighted words. So you can just click this simple button, click, you'll unhighlight or remove the highlights of any word in that document, right? Now, I hope this has been useful. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the description. And if you enjoy or if you find that add-on useful, make sure to leave a review on this page here, which I will also include in the description below. All right, anyway, take care and see you in the next video. Goodbye now.